Hi Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 25th of April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Five of Cups. The second card is the Page of Swords, and you have the Aquarius, the Star card. Okay, your person has the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Wands, and the Temperance card. Let me just move these cards here. Okay, now what I have at the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Cups. With the Ace of Cups, there could be a lot of love, okay, that both of you feel, and you would want to offer that cup of love to the other person. But currently it looks like that, this person or you both are going through a phase wherein, maybe you want to sort out things first and then offer this new cup of love to the other person. Now, Aries, what I see for your row is you have the Five of Cups. With the Five of Cups, there is a lot of sorrow, a lot of hurt, a lot of pain that you're going through, because you feel all is lost in this particular case. Okay, there's nothing else left. But what you're not doing currently is you are not turning back. Okay, you're not turning back, and that's the reason why you're not able to see the two cups which are left at the back. Now, what your other card that I see for you is you also have the Page of Swords. So you definitely expect a very honest conversation with this person. You would want to know what happened, why things happened the way it has happened. And I also see you have the Star card. With the Star card, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, okay, and you could find that this person was your wish fulfillment, but things didn't turn out in your favor the way you wanted them to happen. Okay, now your person has the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, with the Wheel of Fortune, they are expecting things to change. Okay, they are expecting that this entire relationship and things would change in their favor and work for them. Okay, they also have the Page of Wands energy. With the Page of Wands energy, they actually want to go ahead and spend some time with you, and there's a lot of physical attraction that I see that this person has currently for you. They also have the Temperance card with the yin yang energy that I see here. That means that this person wants a little bit of balance in the relationship, which might be missing currently. Now let's go ahead and see what this particular person's intention is for this particular week. So Spirit, help me with one card here. Help me with one card to see the intention of the person. So the first card that I see over here is the Three of Cups. Now with the Three of Cups, it could mean that you could get an invitation for a social gathering, or it could also mean a third party situation for some of you. Okay, now let's take another one here. The other card that I see here is the the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is somebody who is very much concentrated on that one pentacle, and they know that this is the pentacle for me. Okay, now let's take another one here. Alright, that's the Four of Pentacles. With the Four of Pentacles, this person currently is in the miser energy, okay, which means that they do not want to go ahead and spend their time, resources, money currently in this particular relationship. So there could be something that maybe you have said, or something that has happened wherein they don't want to put in that effort currently, is what I'm seeing here. Now let's take one card here to see what is the message from archangels for you, and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you, Aries, is the Demeterite. The crystal message that I see is, are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense, or know information and guidance from angel and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness. Objectively observe patterns and behavior and shift. Now that's the crystal that I see for you for this particular week, and that's the message from the crystal. Okay, in case if you would also want to know what is the message from the Archangel Raziel, you might want to go ahead and check the description box. I will put it there. And that's all I have for you for this particular week, Aries. If you like the content of this particular video, please like, share, subscribe the channel, hit that bell notification, Until the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.